In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink on Microsoft Teams if you want to make your messages look cleaner and more professional. Adding a hyperlink is a simple way to do it. Instead of pasting a long web address directly into the chat, you can turn regular text into a clickable link. This is especially useful when you're sharing websites, documents, or meeting resources with teammates. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and go to Chat. You'll want to be inside the conversation where you plan to send your message. Once you're in the chat, look near the message box at the bottom of the screen. Next, click the plus icon beside the send area. This helps you access additional message tools. After that, click on Show Formatting Options. This expands the message composer and gives you more control over how your message looks, including the ability to add hyperlinks. Now, type the text you want people to click on, or if the text is already there, simply highlight it. This step is important because the hyperlink needs to be attached to selected text. For example, you might highlight words like project folder, meeting notes, or company website, depending on what you're sharing. Once the text is highlighted, click the link icon to insert a link. This icon usually looks like a small chain symbol, and it allows you to connect the selected text to a web address. When the link box appears, paste your link into the field provided. Make sure the link is correct before moving on, since a broken or incomplete URL won't take people to the right destination. After pasting the link, click Insert. Teams will now turn that selected text into a clickable hyperlink. At this point, your message should look much cleaner because the full web address is hidden behind the text you chose. Before you send the message, it's a good idea to quickly review it and make sure the linked text says exactly what you want. Clear link text helps the person receiving the message understand where the link will take them before they click it. And that's it. You've successfully added a hyperlink in Microsoft Teams. It's a small feature, but it can make your chats easier to read and more polished overall. If you use Teams regularly, this is a great formatting trick to keep in mind whenever you're sharing online resources in a conversation.